Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and thank you so much for joining me today for another art video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my watercolor painting process for a sunflower. I had a great time painting this one yesterday, and I created it especially to add it into the March calendar design that I'm going to be sending out to my wonderful email subscribers very soon at the beginning of every new month, and this is something that I've been doing for over a year now. I send them a new calendar featuring a painting of mine. And I always try to make the painting or the illustration thematic of the particular month on hand. And of course, for March, I thought about a sunflower. To create this piece, I used my Arches cold press 140-pound watercolor paper. I used a combination of 6 different colors from both my Winsor & Newton Cutman Line half pan set, as well as my St. Petersburg White Nights 12 color set. The 4 colors I used for my Winsor & Newton set were lemon yellow, gamboge, burnt sienna, and burnt umber. And the 2 I used from my St. Petersburg White Nights paint set were my ultramarine blue and my green. I used 3 different paintbrushes, 2 of them for my Royal and Langnickel Zen Line watercolor set. These were round brushes in sizes 12 and 14. And aside from those, I used my Princeton quill brush in size 6. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave the commentary nice and short on this one. I do want to send out a huge warm welcome to everyone that is new here and just visiting my channel for the very first time. I am so happy that you're here, and do consider subscribing because every single week I share new videos with art tips, drawing and painting tutorials, and encouragement for aspiring artists. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that little notification bell so that YouTube can let you know whenever I publish a new video. Otherwise, you may or may not find out about it. And I also want to send out a huge shout out to every single person that has joined my community over on Patreon. You guys are amazing, and I am so grateful for every single one of you. It's because of you that I'm able to keep creating these videos to share over here on YouTube. So thank you. And if you're interested in joining my community over on Patreon and getting immediate access to my most exclusive content, such as real-time drawing and painting tutorials, each complete with its narrated walkthrough, downloadable outline sketch, supply list, and reference picture, live classes on art fundamentals, weekly sketchbook prompts, feedback from me on your work, and much more, make sure to check out my Patreon site. A link to that will be left down below for you in the description box. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoy the rest of this time lapse. That's gonna do it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you got inspired to go and do some watercolor painting for yourself. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps support the work that I'm doing here on YouTube and helps other artists find out about my channel. If you have any questions or comments for me, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I always read every single comment and love hearing from you. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to subscribe so that I can see you very soon for another video. Bye guys!